Hello, my name is Roberto Tomarchio. I'm the support team lead for the Autodesk Alias products. What we'll be doing today is creating a series of 4 videos which will take you through registration and activation of the product, licensing a no-luck version, licensing a floating version, and a troubleshooting video. So let's get started. Video 1, Registration and Activation. Once you received your DVD boxes, whether you purchased Alias Design, Alias Automotive, or Alias Surface, first step would be to install the software. You would load the DVD onto your computer, you'll see the screen come up, and you click on Install Alias, and it would install the product. You just follow the wizards until you're done installing. Once you've completed the install, next step would be to license it. On the back of the box, you will see here a serial number. Now, most people say, what do I do with a serial number? Now, the serial number will correspond to the product that you bought, whether it's Alias Design, Alias Automotive, or Surface, and it will also correspond to if you have bought a node lock or a floating license. So let's go ahead and install the serial number. In order to activate your serial number, I'm going to need to launch an utility that's called the Product Configuration Wizard. There's a few ways you can do that. One is right after your install, when you still have the installer up, click on Run Licensing Tools, and as you see, the Product Configuration Wizard comes up. Now let's say that you accidentally exit the installer and you need to get to that window. You go to your Start menu, Programs, Autodesk Alias 2010, and you click on licensing, and the same wizard should come up. Another way is if you double click on your shortcut to launch software, it's not going to find a license and the utility comes up. I'm going to select the option here. I have a serial number that I need to activate. I click on next, I paste in my serial number and click on next. This window is telling me that it's going to search for a hardware identifier. What that is your Ethernet address or MAC address, or if you have a dongle, there's a dongle ID, hardware ID that's going to look for. So I click on next, and as you can see here, it says dongle. I have a dongle attached to this, and it shows me here the ID of the dongle. Now, if I don't want to license or register the product to my dongle, I click on this option here, Show All Hardware Identifiers, and here it shows me all the hardware identifiers that are on this computer. Now, I don't want to license my software to any kind of virtual adapter or VPN. I don't want to license to a Bluetooth, and I am going to select this Ethernet address, which I know is my local network connection. I click on next. Here it tells me it's going to take me to Autodesk website to activate the product or to register the product. I click on next here. Now if you had Firefox, it would show here. I click on my Internet Explorer and I go next, and I click yes to all of this, and it will take me here to the online activation or registration window. So here we are at the product registration activation page. You're going to create a user ID if you don't have one. So if you don't have any user ID, just click on create user ID, fill out the information, and then you log in. I'm going to go and log in as myself. Put in my password, and I'm going to log in. These are the accounts that I've just temporarily created. So once you have created your account, you will see a similar type of thing. I select my account, subscription test. I go to next. and here we go. So here it tells me the serial number that I've activated, and it's giving me the license file or the license string. So what I want to do now is actually save the license file. Make sure you always save a copy of it, and I'm going to save it to my desktop. Actually, there's one that already exists. I just want to replace it, and I hit on close. And that is it for registering and activating your product.